What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, we talking about some more sneaker heat, man. We got some more shoes that have not been seen on this channel before, but they are Adidas, so we definitely reviewed some Adidas. These are human races. I haven't got my hands on a pair of human races. I don't own any pair, and my boy, I was able to get these and sell them to somebody else, but before I get rid of them, I want to bring them to you guys. So let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give me your thoughts and opinions, man. It's important. The feedback is greatly important. Smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Try to get this video to at least 100 likes. And without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get to these shoes, you dig? Now, as I was saying, if we get this video to 100 likes, I will select the winner in the following video, to win one of my giveaways, man. These are the PW Solar H Human Races NMDs. This is a size 11.5. Like I said, man, these shoes are pretty dope. I don't own a pair yet. Maybe I will get my hands on some of these. But let me know what you guys think about them, man. NMDs have definitely taken a different turn. They're falling off a little bit, just like other shoes are. The ones that were really hyped aren't so hyped no more, but these are super fire, and I definitely want to get your thoughts and opinions on these, because like I said, some people fell off of them, but these NMDs are super fire. These human races, Pharrell definitely comes with it, man. That light blue with that yellow outsole and that thick amount of boost in there. I love the collar. The inside has some crazy things going on there too. All yellow outsole. These are fire, bro. These are definitely, I think these are like a 10 out of 10 off the gate, off the rip. I could easily say that. I love the way they look. I wish these were my size, but they're not. And I got somebody already getting them, so shout out to you. And that's how I'm doing, man. I'm middleman a lot of this stuff for what I got to get going on. If there's a shoe that I want to review, but I don't own it, and I have somebody who wants to get rid of it or something like that, I'm going to definitely do that on the channel. And if there's somebody out there who watches who wants to pick it up a pair, go ahead and holler at your boy. We can do it all through PayPal. And I've actually done this before with somebody, so shout out to him for that. These are fire though, bro. 11.5 NMDs. I mean, I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comment section below. What makes it dope? What makes it not dope? In your opinion, because we all have differences of opinions, man. I don't know. Does this say human race? Let me know what this says in Chinese writing. I do not know. Maybe you guys can. That's what you guys are here for, to help me out. Also, in the comment section, the lacing is yellow to go with the outsole. That's yellow. I believe these little lines on here is 3M, so when the light hits it, that's gonna be dope. Add another touch to it. These retail, I believe, $220. I got them for under retail, so I had to make the move, man. I had to do it. These are dope though. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. That boost throughout the whole midsole, excuse me, so much fire I can't even hold on to them. That boost throughout the whole midsole just I don't know, it just adds to the shoe. I mean, that's what these NMDs are about. That's what NMDs and Ultra Boost are about, is that boost. Are they dying though? Let me know. Are these dead to you? Or has the hype fell off, so you fell off the shoe? Or is it just the ugly shoe now? Let me know what's the deal, because these used to be really coveted and highly anticipated and lines around the block, but now they're just chilling out and not so hard to get. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on that in the comment section. I want to know what's going on with the NMDs and the sneaker culture, what you guys think about that. And you know what I'm saying? We about to do some up close and personal visuals of these things so you guys can see them, not that you haven't. But maybe with this 4K visual, it might entice you to go get them if you weren't going to get them already. I don't know, but let me know your thoughts, as I always ask in the comment section. I ask 50 million times because the engagement is important. I'm trying to be a sneaker reviewer. I'm trying to get some brand deals and review more products for you guys that I like and that you guys like. Maybe put you guys on to some new things, and we can help each other out. You feel me? That's what the boy Bossco's doing, along with the other content on here. So if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button, share the video so everybody in the world can see your boy Bossco. Shout out to everybody who is currently watching around the world, in the States and across the globe, as well as everybody who comes out to the live stream. I cannot thank you guys enough for that. Without further ado, I'm gonna stop yapping your ear off, get to the highlights of these shoes, and I'm out. Peace. And that's going to wrap up the video. Thank you for taking the time out your day to watch. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you the next time. Deuces.